We've covered what's bullish, now let's talk about what's bearish, and I promise it's not just about price action. If you think that Bitcoin going straight down on its price chart means we're done, think again. The real risk is subtle and happening on the macro level, so let's take a look. Let's start with the biggest one. Bitcoin's monthly MACD has now confirmed its bearish cross. This isn't a maybe, it's a done deal. In every Bitcoin cycle so far, this signal has marked the start of a macro bear market, and no relief rally has ever flipped it back. If the cycle continues to follow the past, this is your sign that the bear market has started. Now let's look at USDT plus USDC dominance. This chart shows where liquidity is moving and it's not going into projects. When dominance rises, it means capital is moving back into stablecoins via selling, and right now we're seeing a clean breakout attempt on the weekly. If this breakout holds, expect selling pressure to compound, and if the breakout fails, this risk might come back into the crypto market. But for now, this is a serious warning sign. And here's something nobody wants to admit. Everybody is bearish, way too bearish. You feel it on crypto Twitter timelines and you see it in YouTube thumbnails. When too many people turn bearish at lows, price often drops even more. It's not because they're right, it's because the fear becomes self-fulfilling. Everybody is selling, nobody's buying, and that's how markets can die for the short term. But here's the paradox. Bear markets don't move in straight lines. The setup needs a bounce at some point. The risk is people forget just how fragile this market structure is, and even if price bounces to $98,000 to $110,000, these bearish signals remain. This kind of bounce often draws people back in before the market drops further. So to recap, Bitcoin's MACD says the bear market is on. Stablecoin dominance is fighting for a breakout but still can reject. Sentiment is and has been max fear. And price has yet to offer a substantial relief rally back to the key levels that I mentioned. If you want my macro checklist to help track this cycle, just comment checklist and I'll send it to you for free.